Engineering. Building a better future. With Stephen the Engineer. Have you ever wondered how robots are made and what kind of engineering goes into creating them? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring the world of robotics engineering. Robotics engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on designing, building, and programming robots. These robots are used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. One of the most common uses for robots is in manufacturing. Robots are used to perform tasks that are repetitive or dangerous for humans, such as welding or painting. In healthcare, robots are used to assist doctors in surgeries and help patients with mobility issues. These robots are designed to be precise and gentle, making them a valuable tool in the medical field. And in space exploration, robots are used to explore other planets and gather data. They are able to withstand extreme temperatures and harsh environments that would be too dangerous for humans. So, how are these robots made? Robotics engineers use a combination of mechanical, electrical, and software engineering to design and build robots. The mechanical engineering aspect involves designing the physical structure of the robot, including its joints, actuators, and sensors. Electrical engineering is used to design the circuits and systems that allow the robot to function. This includes the motors, sensors, and control systems. And software engineering is used to program the robot and control its movements. This involves writing code to tell the robot what actions to perform and when. As you can see, robotics engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines various aspects of engineering to create robots that are capable of performing tasks that were once impossible for humans. We hope you enjoyed learning about robotics engineering. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be designing and building your own robots. Hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons below and watch our other videos on different branches of engineering. Thanks for watching.